Y'all, it took that first clip for me to realize that my shorts were on backwards. So that's fun. I've been up like an hour probably. Well, since like 8:30, I think it's 10, so I guess an hour and a half. I did make a K-cup coffee this morning, and I drank that while I laid in bed, and I started a new book. Morgan is still sleeping, probably gonna let him sleep until 11 and then get him up. If he doesn't wake up before then, he might. But yeah, get him up around 11. We have an appointment today at 12:30. Today's Sunday, by the way. And we're gonna try the like ice plunge thing, the like cold water plunge. So we're gonna go do that. Should be fun. We get to do it in the same room. We just like take turns or whatever. So that should be fun. Something new to try. And then I think we're gonna run to the store and pick up some stuff for dinner. We're probably gonna make shrimp creole, which I know I've showed on my channel a million times, but it's one of our favorites. And now that it's fall, we're eating it a lot more often. Pretty much since like mid-September, we've been eating it pretty much since football started. We've been eating it every Sunday. So we love that recipe. It's so, so good. Sometimes we make it from scratch, and sometimes we buy the Bayou Brothers like jarred sauce, and then just add our own protein and stuff. So I'm not sure what we'll end up doing today, but we'll probably run to the store and get stuff for that. And yeah, I'm going to try to get some chores done this morning. Fold in the towels I washed. Probably going to throw a load of laundry in. And just hang out. So, should be a fun little Sunday vlog. Gonna have some coffee. I don't know what I'm gonna have for breakfast yet, but I'll probably eat something before we go. So, I'll let you know, but I'm gonna finish folding these and probably, I don't know what else, find something to clean before it's time to get Morgan up. Just poured myself a cup of coffee and finished the laundry changeover, and I'm about to put on these little like eye masks. I keep mine in the fridge so that they're chilled, and they just feel so good. And I love to do these. Oops. I love to do these on the weekends. And they're just so fun, especially like on vacations and stuff. I love to bring these with me just so I can have them on my face when I drink my coffee. I love it. Oh. There we go. Perfect. I'm watching some YouTube right now. The Slice of Jess is one of my favorite channels. I love her. I'll link her down below. She does like daily vlogs, what to eat vlogs, just all type of stuff. She lives, actually I don't know, maybe in the UK, something like that. But I love her vlogs. Like I can just listen to her talk all day long. I'm watching her new daily vlog, changing her hair, dog sitting, and self-care. And she's showing this little self-care box that her boyfriend got her for her birthday. And she's about to do a face mask and stuff. And that is what prompted me to put these on. I put them on yesterday too. Sometimes I forget, but I just love them. Fun. And then I always like to wear a matching set on the weekends. This one is from Amazon, as always, but I really like it. At first I thought I wanted a size down, but then I ordered a different color in the size down. Didn't love. So XL for me was the way to go. And yeah, I think I'm gonna relax and have my second cup of coffee for a little bit. All right, y'all, I'm gonna try the pesto eggs I keep seeing on TikTok. So you just need whatever pesto you like. couple of eggs. I'm gonna top mine with a little of this cheese that we have left over from Trader Joe's pizza night. And then I'm gonna put it on the everything ciabatta roll, just like open faced, and I'll do two eggs total. So, see how it turns out. Okay, I added a little chili onion crunch for a little spice, and it looks honestly so good. I did add a little cheese on top of the eggs right at the end to get that melted, and my yolks should still be runny. Okay, y'all, we're about to go to the ice plunge water bath thing, so I'm excited. I'm like, it hasn't hit me that I'm nervous yet. I feel like once I'm in the room, I'm gonna be nervous, but thought I would just show you my little outfit for this.
Going in head first.
I'm just wearing like a Razorback tank top and a sports bra that I'm gonna wear in the bath that I have a backup, so I'll change to a different one. This little zip up jacket, seriously a favorite. I got it when I was in college and I'm 30, so safe to say this is probably sold out and has been forever. It was actually on clearance when I got it, but it's just a little like hoodie zip up. Shorts, these are Lulu, or a dupe actually for Lululemon. Love these, they're from Amazon. They do have like a liner on the inside, pockets on the side, and then I'm also wearing just some spandex black shorts that I'm gonna wear into the water, and I have like obviously backup undergarments for after. And that's it, that's the fit today. Just put my hair in a clip as always, pretty much lately. I feel like I've been clipping my hair constantly. But yeah, just so it's up and out of the water. But I'm excited. I'm a little nervous, but I'm excited. I wonder how long I'm gonna make it. We'll have to see. And if it's 30 seconds, we'll see. I'm gonna put my camera in my bag and we'll see if I even remember to film, but if not, we'll show you the after, or like at least tell you how it went. But yeah, Morgan heard about it on a podcast. There's like tons of benefits. He looked up a place, it's not that far away. And it's pretty cheap, it's like $15 a person. So we're gonna give it a go. It's not that kind of video. Okay, so we're in the room. You shower first, you like rinse off. So Morgan's gonna go first. He's doing that now. And then you hit start and you climb in. And she said 1 to 3 minutes is a good starting point. She said be very still if you can, because it'll be colder if you're moving around. And when you get out, you'll probably be numb. So it should be pretty fun. We'll see how long Morgan makes it. I'm gonna try to do 2 minutes. I feel like that's a good, solid starting point. So we'll let you know how it goes. Okay, y'all, we just finished the cold plunge. It was a really hard, actually. I literally thought I was gonna start crying. It hurts and it takes your breath away, which I wasn't expecting. Morgan said that, but I like didn't know what he meant until I got in, and I was trying to tell him we didn't start the timer, and it came out as like whimpers. Like I'm trying to talk and I literally couldn't talk.
It does. It takes your breath away.
Yeah.
Like you had to focus, or at least I had to focus on breathing right when I got in.
Yeah, for sure.
I couldn't fully submerge my whole body. I wanted to go all the way like up to my neck and just leave my face out. I couldn't. I got in. And
you get in there and you're just survival.
Yeah. I think I got up to like
your chest.
Kind of like my chest.
I got
area.
a little video of you and you're like hunched over, but the whole like, yeah, chest down you're in. It's hard to, like, once you're getting there, you're just focusing on breathing. You can't even pay attention to, like, what position you're in. You're just, like, staring at the clock, willing it away, hoping it goes away soon.
And I think, obviously, it's your body's in shock. But
yeah.
I feel like if you do it a couple times, and even now, I feel like
you
do feel more alert, and you feel a little bit looser, and it releases that dopamine, so. It
was fun. I would for sure do it again now that we, like, know what to expect. Like, once you get past... I was even turning to Morgan once I got my breath back. I was like, I want to get out. I don't like this. Like, it really hurts. But once you focus on your breathing, you just kind of go numb. And then I think I probably could have stayed in longer. I stayed in for like a minute, probably a minute 40 seconds.
I think what did I do?
I could have done 2, I think.
Total of 3 minutes?
Probably, yeah, total of 3.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a one-way baby.
Oh, yeah, nice.
But yeah, anyways, it was a lot of fun, and I think we'd do it again. So
I definitely will be doing it again, for sure.
Morgan had big fun. I would do it, like on the weekends. I would come and do it with him. I don't know that I'd come on my lunch break, but
that's probably when I'm gonna come.
Yeah.
Plus, they got a little shower you can rinse off, which I'm not going to, but
yeah, they do. There's a really nice shower. You do have to take a shower first.
Yeah.
And then it's nice, they even have shampoo and conditioner, so if she was telling us like get in and fully submerge. I didn't want to get my hair wet though. Like we have stuff to do.
I wanted to, I was just too shocked and chicken to do it.
Yeah, it's
to be honest.
Shocking. It really is.
It really does take your breath away. But I do suggest doing it. It's something to definitely try. It got us out of our comfort zone, and you do feel better after you've done it, I will say that.
Yeah, like I feel awake. I feel good. Like, it's hard to describe, but yeah, you just feel really good.
I think
it's
weird. Has a lot of benefits. I mean, anybody can Google it, but I think, like, if you have sore muscles, obviously it helps with you being alerted. It releases dopamine, so
yeah, it was fun. So, let us know if you give it a try.
Easy to not get all of it the same. And we can try those.
Hey y'all, Morgan is cooking dinner pretty much every Sunday for like what, at least a month we've been making shrimp creole on Sunday. So he's whipping that up for us right now. We're watching the Chiefs game. They're winning right now anyways. Has anyone else become a Chiefs fan recently? I've been a fan for a while. I went to Texas Tech at the same time that Patrick Mahomes went to Texas Tech, so followed him when he's joined the Chiefs, and we've been fans ever since. But I do like the publicity they're getting because of Taylor Swift. I think it's fun. Maybe a little overdone, but fun nonetheless. But yeah, just watching football, hanging out. I got some cleaning done. I should have filmed that and I didn't, but I cleaned our bathroom, vacuumed the bedroom and the living room, and I folded some laundry. So just normal Sunday things tonight. I might do like an everything shower tonight, hair mask, face mask type of night. So if I do that, I'll definitely share with you. But yeah, just wanted to check in. I'll show you dinner whenever it's ready. I can kind of show you what it looks like. So we have andouille sausage and shrimp, and we really enjoy, we do make it from scratch sometimes, but kind of our go-to easy is the Bayou Brothers Creole sauce. You just add the protein. We cook up the protein and then add this, let it simmer. It's so, so good. And we just serve that over whatever rice. We've been using the jasmine, but any white rice is good. It even says on the package you can do pasta, which I feel like would be weird because it's super liquidy. Like it's soupy, not thick like pasta sauce. So kind of weird, but it's delicious over rice. It's delicious over cauliflower rice as well. And yeah, if you can find that stuff, you should definitely give it a try.
Homemade Creole is way better, but that's pretty close to being, like, it's not bad.
Ours is not very different from that jarred one. Like, it turns out pretty similar.
Yeah.
We do ours with, like, extra tomato, extra juice because we like it saucy, but yeah, it's a pretty simple thing to make. It's like tomatoes, vegetable seasoning, broth, really easy.
Catch it all and start streaming NFL Plus today. Plan starts $6.99 a month.
Perfect. That's good.
Sausage.
Thank you, baby.
Yeah.
Looks awesome.